What's up guys, Derek from Legendary here, bringing you a quick update. So two-factor authentication is live. When you try to log into Legendary, you should get a notification to either send code to the email you have on file or send to your phone number. So you can verify either way. If you do phone number, it's going to shoot you a text message and you can just confirm that code right here. Same thing with email. And don't worry about this countdown timer. These codes will work until you log in. This is just counting down to when you can resend the code. So we have email, we have text message, whichever one you want to use. Now, for instance, this one, if you have a fake number or a fake email on file, you will need to update that. You can reach out through support. Email us at support@tryjohnson.com, and I can go in and update your either email or phone number and get you all squared away with there. And you can see here your login security code is 199299. I'm going to type that in, hit confirm code. So all logged in there. I also want to show you the upcoming design change. So we tightened some things up here for the dashboard and navigation to make it a little cleaner. All your workflows, triggers, and campaigns are going to be under automation now. Opportunities right here. From the opportunities tab, you can actually create new pipelines. So it makes it a lot nicer. Instead of having to find it in settings, it's all in one spot. Calendars, all your calendar management is going to be under calendars. So your appointments are here. Calendar settings, if you need to edit any or add a new calendar, all that's under calendars as well. All your websites, funnels, forms, surveys, chat widget are all going to be under sites. So that makes that nice. Also, we have a lot of speed improvements and other stuff in the works. So appreciate you guys. Catch you soon on the next video. That's it for this quick update. Two-factor authentication is live. More security. Great thing. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And if you want a special offer, go ahead and sign up today for Legendary. Choose the Legendary bundle plan. You're going to get some amazing, genius apps for Facebook. You'll be able to have a CRM on Facebook that can actually send data into Legendary using webhooks. You're going to get an outreach tool as well and a way to schedule posts. So you can use this to schedule all your content. Go ahead and choose the Legendary bundle plan and upgrade to yearly. And I'm going to help you set up your system for you. So we'll work together over the next 2 weeks, getting you set up with a website. I'm going to build out your calendar. We'll set up some automations for you to do some lead generation. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and take me up on that offer. You can even check off this onboarding call. I'm just going to include that for free with this offer. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and get started today. And I'll see you soon on the inside. Appreciate you guys. Talk soon.